Session 2 Learning Objectives. The students will understand the sources of funds. Session outcome credit creation principles. Creation of credit. Banks create a credit by the deposits received from the customer and earn profit, which is then turned into funds. While investing the bank funds, the banker has to consider various factors. The following are the important factors in ನೋಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸು while investing their funds, what are the different factors to be taken into consideration? ಅಂದರೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರು of credit, cash reserves. Successful banking depends upon the careful management of the cash reserves. Banker cannot invest the entire deposits because these deposits are repayable to customers as and when demanded. In order to meet the demands of the customer, the banker has to keep sufficient cash reserves. Generally, the banker has to maintain 38% of deposit in the form of cash reserves. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ, ಆ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 38% ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. Cash reserves. Habits of customers, use of check, bankers clearing house, nature of accounts and size of deposit. Cash reserves ratio. As per section 43 subsection 1 of the RBI Act 1934, it is required that every scheduled bank should maintain 5% of its total deposit in the form of a cash reserves with the RBI. RBI has the power to change it in between 3% to 15%. ಅಂದರೆ every bank, scheduled bank has to maintain cash reserve with the bank. RBI, bank ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಡಬೇಕು? 5% of total deposits. But the RBI has the power to change it in between 3% to 15%. ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಈ 5% ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ? ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 3% to 15%. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡಿಟಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡಿಟಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ SLR ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಶುಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್, gold or approved securities not less than 25% of its total deposits. ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 25% ಅನ್ನ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟ್ಯೂಟರಿ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡಿಟಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ ರೀಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೀಫೈನಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್. If the refinance and rediscount is available from the IDBI and the RBI, in such cases the banker maintains lower amount of cash reserves. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು RBI ದಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ IDBI ಇಂದ ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಈ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆವಾಗ he can keep the less cash reserve, less amount as a cash reserve. Creation of credit continue ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Call loans, money at call and short notice. These are the loans sanctioned for a very short period. These loans are repayable at a short notice. Call loan is known as a secondary reserve of the commercial bank. In such a case, they maintains a lower amount of cash reserves. Such loans are interbank loans. ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾಲ್ ಲೋನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮನಿ ಎಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಈಗ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೈ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್. ಆವಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮನಿ ಎಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಅಂತ. in case of emergencies they can give a notice and call this type of portfolio. While investing, the banker has to see that there is more profit and safety. For this purpose, the banker has to invest his funds in government securities, semi-government securities, etc. Andre, at the time of investing funds, banker has to see profit as well as safety of funds. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಮಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಗವರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ ಲೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, principle of liquidity. Liquidity means a huge amount of cash should be maintained in bank because the banker is the borrower. He accepts the deposits from the public subject to repayable on demand. So in order to meet the demands of the depositors promptly, quickly, and to secure their confidence and to earn the business and to run the business smoothly, the banker should maintain huge amount of cash liquidity. Principle of liquidity says what? Means as and when the customer demands the money, the banker should be able to pay off ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರು? he should keep more amount of cash reserves as well as easily convertible assets like gold, silver, etc. As it is the duty of the banker to provide safety of funds belonging to the depositors. For this purpose, banker should invest his funds on safe assets such as government and semi-government securities. Safety of fund means here it is a depositor money from whom it deals. So he must see that he has to protect that fund and earn interest on that. He should not lose the depositor's money. So that is the meaning of principle of safety. Next, principle of profitability or yield is another important principle. It should be taken into consideration while investing the funds. Profitability means earn more income or fair return on the funds invested. See, banker is dealing with the depositors money, so he has to pay interest to depositors. For that purpose he has to earn a profit. So it means at the time of lending funds he has to see he has to earn a profitable as per as possible more. So in that type of investments he has to make it. The purpose of loan. It means the purpose for which he is going to lend the loan. It is called as purpose of loan. Usually the banker will give loans and advance to productive purposes, not for non-productive purposes, gambling, etc. Why? Because if the loan is given for a productive purposes, the borrower will earn the money out of that funds borrowed and he is going to repay the principal amount along with the interest. So that is why the banker is going to lend the funds only for the productive purposes. Borrower's character, capacity and capital are standing. Character means the person who repays the loan is sincere or honest at the time of maturity. So it means character here means so will of the customer to repay the loans along with the interest. So that character he should have will to repay the money along with the interest. Capacity means the financial position of a person to repay the loan. So he must have a capacity to repay the loan along with the interest that he has to ascertain. So for that his income earning he has to see. Next one, capital or standing means the borrower's position can be made known for their bank accounts, business records, etc. Nature of business, location of business, legal requirements, cash reserves, nature of funds, national interest, period. CQs. Generally, the banker has to maintain dash percentage of deposits in the form of a cash reserves. In the form of a cash reserves. Answer is 38%. Two, MCQ 2, as per section 43(1) of the RBI Act 1934, it is required that every scheduled bank should maintain dash percentage of its total deposits in the form of cash reserves with the RBI. So answer is 5%. There is 3 C's of borrower has to be C while lending the money. What are these 3 C's? ಮೂರು C's ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, none of the above. The answer is character, capacity and capital. Answer is 3. Next, MCQ 4. Banks creates credit by the dash received from the customer and earn profits which is then turned into funds. So, deposits. The answer is 3. Deposits. Answer is every bank should keep in cash, gold or approved securities not less than 25% of its total deposits as statutory liquidity ratio